What you just witnessed was controller snapback, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. There's already a lot of videos on how to do this. I just wanted to show that, without much experience, you can definitely get this done. I have no experience whatsoever when it comes to soldering or controller modding at all, besides changing the buttons. Once you remove the back bracket, you're gonna wanna cut away a piece of plastic from where the left analog input wires are fed. You don't want to cut away too much plastic, you just want to leave space for the mod. You can always shave off more later. I'm using 10cm female to male jumper wires. I cut about halfway through. You can definitely cut it shorter. I just wanted some extra slack to play around with. I stripped enough off the wire just to have space when soldering them to the pins on the board, which we'll talk about later. Twisting the copper at the end ensures a solid connection to the pins. You don't want them to fray and make contact to other parts of the board, which might end up with more misinputs down the line. Because this was my first time soldering anything, I was so focused on not burning myself, I forgot to record this part. The pins that I'm soldering the wires to are the horizontal potentiometers of the control stick. The capacitor will help mitigate the tail end of the electric signals, which causes the snapback effect. Hot gluing the connections just makes sure the wires stay in place and doesn't disconnect from any tug or vibration. At this point, you can make any adjustments to ensure a proper fit when reassembling everything. Just as a side, this video was solely edited on an iPhone 10 using iMovie, and all these stock audio tracks, man, I just want to say I'm straight vibing. That's it for this simple snapback fix. There are just a couple things left. Reassembling and seeing if I bricked my controller. And it works, which means I can't blame my controller when I miss input, so I guess it's time to get good. Thanks for watching, y'all. Remember to like and subscribe.